this week's vlog. We are heading to Selfridges because your girl needs to do her eyebrows. It's been like 2-3 years since I've done my brows, and I'm very particular with who does, like, when it comes to beauty treatments, I'm very particular about who does them, and I stick to people I know and stick to people who are good. So if it's expensive, I'm willing to pay the price, and your girl is a bougie girl, so I like good things. I like the nice life. So we're heading to Selfridges. I go to Blink Brow, I think it's called Blink Brow Bar, Blink Brow so yeah, I'm heading there. Lakshmi does my brows, although it has been like 2-3 years, but yeah, I need to do them. My birthday is coming up and I want to look cute, so yeah, let's go because I'm running a bit late. So yeah, let's go. At Bond Street now, heading to Selfridges. I'm so hungry, haven't eaten anything today, so I'm gonna find something to eat, pick myself up something to eat and drink because I'm super hungry. Done my brows. I'm like so in love with them. They look so good. Look how sharp and clean they look. Now I'm trying to find something to snack on. Treat myself to a Lola's cupcake. So happy with my brows. I was literally crying because the pain was so much. Love it. Look at this gorgeous Dion Lee dress. I was actually looking at this the other day. It's £150. This would have been a cute dress. So I am back from Selfridges. Just bought some food to snack on. My favourite. These are so addictive. That's what I imagine crack to taste like, because they're so addictive. Some sparkling water, and I got a cupcake. I always treat myself to a cupcake, which I need to stop because that's why I ain't got a six-pack yet. But loading, Syncom. I've been going gym because of Alyssa Ashley. Her gym journey has like inspired me and I totally love it. I went to Huda Beauty and I went to Chanel Beauty to try the setting powder from Chanel. I didn't end up getting the powder. The lady that was helping me, she was like, you people normally wear color, blah, blah. I was like, you people? Are you referring to you people as in black people? So I was gonna come back because I wanted to try on some foundation. So I went to Huda Beauty because I love the faux filter foundation, but they didn't have my shade in stock. She also gave me this little setting powder sample to try because I wanted to try the setting powder. And then I went to Byredo. I love the Byredo scents. I smelled the perfume for Bal d'Afrique and I loved it. Like, it's so gorgeous. So I got the shower gel. Oh god, my nails look so horrible. We'll be getting those done tomorrow. But yeah, I got the shower gel and she gave me quite a few samples of, like, I guess it's lipstick or stuff inside there, which was quite nice. Now I'm going to find something to eat, so I'll be back tomorrow. So I'm getting ready to go to the nail shop. I'm getting my nails done, a pedicure, and my eyelashes done. I hate getting my nails done, but I love having my nails done, if you get what I'm saying. It's like a long process, and I know I'm going to be in the shop early, so I'm going super early. I've told my nail tech I'm coming super early. So yeah, I don't know what design I'm getting. I don't know whether to go square or almond. I'm normally an almond kind of girl. I've been trying long lengths, but I'm not a bad bee. Nah, let's keep it bougie and basic and go down to short and manageable. So that's what I'm gonna do. Got my backpack and my laptop because I actually have work to do. I need to send my accountant some stuff. So yeah, let's go. A key to looking put together. Put a trench on. You can look crazy. Put a trench on and you automatically look semi-fashionable, semi-cool. Trust me, it works. Because I look crazy right now. But flung on a trench and I kind of look put together, like I got my life together. And I have this coffee. It's probably going to send me to the toilet because it's got milk. But one life to live, one body. Welcome back to today's vlog. Today I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going somewhere new. I didn't even end yesterday's like lash and nail day properly. Like I was in the nail salon for so long, like since 10 o'clock. I think I got there for like 10 and I left around like 3. But I had to stop and do my eyelashes, which I love. I don't know if you can see them properly, but I really love them. I went a bit longer than I normally do. Normally I have like my hand is proper shaking. Normally I do like 10s and 11s. I keep it really short, really natural, like super short, super natural. But I went for a volume set, it's called, and I did 13s, 12s and a bit of 11, I think she did. So it's quite longer than I normally do, but like I tend to like keep it light and natural because I don't like it really heavy. I hate those lashes where they're packed out and really lashy, when they're like super packed out and super full. I don't think it looks good for me. But I have noticed that lots of girls do prefer it like that, but I personally don't. But yeah, and my nails, I love them. Like this is my fave set ever. Like I take getting my nail design very serious. Like I have a dedicated nail folder. Don't know if you guys are like that, but I have a dedicated nail folder. But yeah, I'm going to get my hair done. I'm going somewhere new and I hope it comes out good. Like I'm quite nervous because I'm very particular about, like I said, who I go to for beauty treatments, hair, nails, everything, because especially when it comes to hair, because I just feel like when your hair's bad, there's no coming back from it kind of thing. So like I normally go to a certain 2 people, Deborah Lola, Mariah London. Like those 2 ladies are amazing when it comes to hair, and I don't really go anywhere else, but I wasn't able to get them for my hair appointment this time, so I'm going somewhere new which was recommended. So yeah, let's go and let's see how my hair turns out. Hopefully it's very nice and there'll be no complaints. So yeah, let's go. From getting my hair done, I absolutely love it. Really surprised. It's a bit messed up because I got caught in the rain, but yeah, I really love it. It's a frontal. I spent a long time in the salon, but I'm actually not fussed because they were so nice. Like it was my first time, it was so nice. And I kind of expected that I would spend my whole day in the salon, so yeah, but I wish I had gotten out sooner. But yeah, they were very busy despite having an appointment. I know I'm not really selling it, but it was really good. Like they were nice, they were friendly, they weren't rude. Well, the lady who did my hair wasn't rude. Like they were really nice. I got it washed, braided, my frontal customized and installed. I think it's like a 16. She did give it a trim and stuff, but I'm gonna obviously restyle it in the way I wanted it styled. But I really, really love it. I'm gonna have a McDonald's. I know it's really, really bad, very off-brand, because I'm trying to eat healthy and stuff, but your girl is hungry. I haven't eaten all day, so yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. But yeah, that is, I wanted to give an update on my hair before I ended it. I was even supposed to go somewhere after this, but that's looking like a no-no. I'm gonna put my little band on top so it stays neat. I hope I can manage this frontal because I'm so used to doing closures. Like I love a closure, just pull it on and go. But I feel like a frontal is a nice matured look. It's not an everyday thing trying to do a frontal, but as like my birthday's coming up, I just thought let's be a bit more glam. So yeah, let me just stop rambling and go and eat this. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are off to my laser appointment. I get my underarms and my bikini area done. So I get those two areas, and yeah, I've noticed that a lot of hair has not been growing back. I've had quite a few sessions though, and I really, really love the results. Like from my last result, my last session, I waited like 2 months or so. I haven't had I spread out my appointment a bit because I just wanted to see how much hair would grow back, and hardly, like the hairs were very, 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 very faint. So I don't know, I think this will be my last appointment for a while because literally the hairs are not growing back. So yeah, I'm also gonna have like a look around. I need to get some like little beauty things like cotton wool, an eyebrow pencil, and just a little makeup bits here. Still loving my hair, just had to put it up a bit, and I'll restyle it when needed. But yeah, we'll check in once we get to my laser appointment. There's actually nothing in Zara that well, actually there's a black dress that I want, but they don't have it in store. So I'm learning not to buy things based on impulse, but there's this cute like Christopher Esper inspired black satin dress online, and that's the only thing I currently want, and they don't have it in stock. Some of the Chanel bronzing cream. I don't know if you can see it on my hand. So I picked up this colour eyeshadow and an eyebrow pencil. Laser appointment. I look such a mess. Wearing masks and earrings is just a combo that is so not good. Is it a trip out if you don't get bubble tea? I'm obsessed. There was a point where I was like ordering bubble tea like twice a week, but I had to curb the addiction. I like the milk light cheese one, but because it's like dairy milk, I shouldn't be having it so often. But this also is lychees with a popping bottle. I love it. Like, shout out to whoever thought about making bubble tea. Sick, absolutely sick. I went to Primark and I got some like essential stuff. I just got like cotton pads. I brought a makeup brush because I brought the basic makeup brushes from Primark, and I loved them. I think they were great. So I got like a foundation brush just to like carry around with me and stuff. Then I got these like dental floss thingies. Floss your teeth, guys. It's important. and some hairbands. That was literally it. That's all I go to Primark for. I love their little like beauty section, like essentials. I love that stuff. Then I went to Marks and Spencer's and Superdrug. I got this cleanser. I love this cleanser. It's so good. Glycolic. I don't know how to ever pronounce it. You see that? That's what it is. Love it from Superdrug. And I got a body scrub. The scrub that I actually wanted, I normally order it from ASOS. It's like KP bumper razor or something. I love it because I got like strawberry legs, and I really, whatever's in it, I love it because it makes you feel so good, and you can actually feel the scrub on your body. But I just needed to pick up a scrub, so I picked up this Sanctuary one. I also love this as well. It's very moisturizing. The scrubs or salt scrubs are quite softer as to compared to like the KP scrub one. Then I got some stuff from Marks and Spencer's to make for dinner. I forgot to show you guys what I got from Kiko. I got this eyeshadow. It's a water eyeshadow. I can't remember where I saw someone posted this and I was like, okay, I need to try this. And then I got an eyebrow pencil. I just needed an eyebrow pencil. Normally I go to MAC and get an eyebrow pencil from MAC, or I don't really fill in my brows because they're quite thick. But yeah, just wanted to quickly show you what I picked up. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so nice. Can't wait to try this out. So yes, now that is everything I picked up. So that is the end of this vlog, this beauty maintenance vlog slash birthday prep vlog. I've hoped you've enjoyed watching this. If you have, please do comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.